I know you're busy eating, but I just juiced some grapefruits. And I know you like freshly squeezed juices. And they're tasty, and they're good for you. And then after you're done, you can go back and eat whatever you were eating before. Told you it's good. Yes, you like it? Vitamin C from my healthy little birdie. You're smart. You understand everything, right? He loves it. It's so tasty. Can't wait till he's done so I can have some too. Delicious, delicious. But I have a feeling he's going to be drinking for some time because he's really enjoying it, right? I guess I'll have to clean up any drips. Just don't go like this so it doesn't land on my shirt, okay? Takes me 2 seconds to drink this glass. How long does it take you? Takes a while. Oh, are you done? Is it my turn? More? No? You're done? Okay, good.